A nice relaxing shave starts with quality products, a good soap, and a premium shaving brush, like this 1962 from FM Brush. It's beautiful. It's got a great knot, perfect size. It's a seamless acrylic handle that fits well in the hand, easy to keep clean, antimicrobial, and it makes just tremendous lather. Alright, welcome back to Average Guy Tested, and if you're new to the channel, what's up? Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a shave featuring a couple of my favorite products or brands. Stirling Soap's Executive Man, which makes great lather. It's great for noobs like me in the wet shaving game, because I can't really get a bowl lather to work well. Face lathering for me is the best way to go. And I find that there are some soaps that are easier to lather with, and Stirling is one of them. They're also a very economic or value provider in the artisan space. Their soaps are plenty slick, great protection, easy to lather, low cost, made in the USA. You gotta love all of those things. My other favorite here is the 1962 premium synthetic badger brush from the fine folks at FM Brush. It's just an awesome brush. Premium synthetic badger hair, looks and performs like badger, but it's better than badger because, first of all, no badgers were harmed to produce the brush. It doesn't need to be wet soaked prior to use. It's just a great brush. Alright, so my first pass, I'm using the Emperor Augustus adjustable DE from Vikings Blade. And first pass, I'm going to go dial the aggressiveness all the way up to a 9, because I'm tackling, I believe it's like a week and a half to 2 week stubble. Yeah, I've gotten lazy, guys. Look at all that stubble there. So this is a really an aggressive pass, my first pass, just to clear lots of hair and stubble. So I'm working with the grain of the hair on my face, and the hair is growing down. So I'm using short, glancing strokes, maybe a little bit more pressure than the next two passes here, just because I'm dealing with a lot of growth here. This Emperor Augustus is a beefy double-edge safety razor. It's got lots of heft, which is very helpful to go with that foundational principle of letting the device do all the work. And what I mean by that is use the heft of the device. Don't force, don't dig. You're shaving, you're not digging, guys. All right, I'm here at the chin, which tends to be the toughest part for me to get past. You'll see multiple passes here. And I have cut out, rinsing off the blade for a couple of reasons: to speed up the video and to spare you from my bald head or balding head. And for those of you who keep telling me or asking me to do a head shave, I just don't think I'm ready to do it yet, guys. I mean, maybe I'll get there. And if I do, I'll definitely do it on the channel. I don't think I'm ready to do it yet. All right, so the Emperor Augustus is making pretty good work of this first pass. I've really had to work through that chin stubble, and I'm getting to the fine or final strokes here. Again, I'm on the highest setting. I believe it's a 9. And I'm going to dial down the setting to probably around a 5 for the next pass, which is coming up. So to dial it down, you open it up, butterfly attachment or butterfly clasp, and you dial the ring down to a 5. This is common practice with many of the double-edge adjustable blades. You want to open that clasp up to change the setting. All right, so I'm gonna go back to that first pull of Executive Man, and I'm gonna add a little bit of water beforehand, a little bit of warm or near hot water. And I'll lather it up. As you can see, there's still lots of soap left on that brush. And I'm just coating the skin here. That's very, very nice. Not only is it an easy soap to lather, and it's very protective, it smells great. All right, the second pass at a setting of 5 is the cross grain pass. Now this is a very important pass because it attacks the face and neck from a different angle. This is where you're grabbing hairs that you may have missed. It's a very important pass for under the nose and around the sensitive bits like the lips. As you can see here, I'm taking my time going under the nose at a side or sort of a diagonal angle. Again, you're still glancing the skin, you're not digging. I would even say I've pulled back slightly now that I've dispatched a lot of that hair, and I'm really just sliding or gliding over the skin. Also, for this pass, you really want to let the contours of your face dictate where the blade goes. What I mean by that is shave with the contours of your face. Don't force an angle. Let the device sort of roll over and go where it needs to go. This is my most enjoyable pass because you can really feel the hairs that you've missed, especially around the jawline, under the nose here. Really take my time to get in and up and into the nooks and crannies. I have a pretty large nose, so I have to spend a lot of time here, and I apologize for this abrupt angle. All right, that's a little better. So now I'm gonna dial it down to a 2 for my final pass. Apply a little bit more near hot water. Keep the face moist and ready for the final lather here. Again, I haven't re-lathered or haven't gone back to that 10. This is from that initial grab. As you can see, there's plenty of soap left over. So I'll apply this. And as I go from pass to pass, I like to go a little thinner on the lather. It's very, very nice, guys. As you can see, it's nice, protective. So this final pass is an against the grain pass. As you can see, I'm really whipping through. I've dialed the aggressiveness of the razor back significantly, so I have really no fear. And I don't want to do too much on this pass, guys. I just want to glance across the skin. This is my get right pass, so this is where I'm really feeling around for any hairs I may have missed in the first 2 passes. I want to take my time around the tender bits, under the nose, around the lips. As you can see, I'm really slowing down here, and I'm still going with that foundation of not digging, not adding additional pressure, just letting the weight of the device do all the work as I glance over the skin. You don't want to dig, you don't want to disrupt the skin, you don't want to force anything. This is supposed to be relaxing and not a tremendous amount of work or pain or irritation. If you follow these principles, you'll probably have pretty good results like I do. All right, coming into the home stretch. So now I'm gonna rinse off with some cold water. Oof, that's a face only a mother could love. So I'll pat the excess soap off with a wet face cloth. You wanna be gentle to your skin. A viewer told me this a long time ago. Be gentle to your skin, guys. You only have one pretty face. This is also a good time to adjust your sideburns. And now I'll head into the application of the Executive Man aftershave splash. I love when an artisan soap makes a companion aftershave splash. It really extends that scent profile, leaves it on you for the remainder of the day. So you not only look great, but you smell great, you feel great. And this was a nice easy, relaxing shave with some quality products, guys. Oh yeah, feels great. Again, executive man from Stirling. Great product, great people, made in the USA. We've got the Emperor Augustus DE safety razor. I love an adjustable safety razor. And I'm ready to go, guys. All right, as always, thank you for watching. I will see you next time. And in the meantime, you know what to do.
Keep pushing play. Now roll the music.